No, my daddy, a wicked world we live in, you know. And the wickedest thing, them are the woman, them. Them wicked. Oh, if we stop so wicked at Thursday. You understand?
Today is Saturday. Tomorrow, when this video is uploaded, it's going to be Sunday. However, you might be watching this on a Thursday. And even on that Thursday, woman still wicked. And I mean, so, I him so. I believe man wicked, but woman are Delilah. Anyways, right now...
I want to know subscription, man.
You want them more?
Them... Get a drink, yeah. Yeah, I want to know subscription, man. For the human tube. Tune in for the human tube.
Where name by human tube?
Name Lost Jackson for the human tube. Lost Jackson Funny and Lost Jackson 876. Yeah. You know when I go a dance or party or stage show and the selector the DJ say, if you know F bottom, put your hand in the ear. If you know suck vagina, put your hand in the ear. If no girl never suck your vagina, put your girl in the ear if you're a woman. Everybody put their hand in their ear and wave their flag, whatever the DJs have to do. Well, if you love being a Jamaican, like the video. If you love being a Jamaican, share the video. If you love being a Jamaican, comment on the video. If you love being a Jamaican, subscribe to me human tube. It's gonna be a funny video tonight. A bunch of Jamaicans saying funny-ish and doing funny-ish. And before we go to the next video, shout out every last one of the 31,000 subscribers. This week a shout out week. We a shout out Mate Lad Cebro, Gaza 1 Dan 8361 and True Life. Manners and respect.
National flower?
Yeah, what is Jamaica's national flower?
Dumpling.
Honestly, I don't know what Jamaica national flower is, but me know say when me go in my house, I will cook some flour tonight. Me feel for some dumpling. And crazy part is, you know, might say me weird. I go cook a dumpling and some Irish potato and some sweet potato from tonight. And me never remember to take out the chicken. So me gonna take it out tonight and cook it tomorrow morning and then go to work. Anyways.
The rats don't run anymore. When you're walking past, they stand up and look in your face as if they're saying hello and goodbye.
Mama, other rat them there, Tom and Jerry. Which one was the rat? A Tom or a Jerry? Well, Jamaican rats them. I food what them I eat, mommy. It's the food that you guys are feeding the rats. That's what them behave. So them a rat on a 1988 rat. They rat at 2025 rat. Then build different. Yeah. Anyways.
Look here now, that's a good banana we can clean for hood. We can sit down for hood. And we have the dignity to grab up man and clean, sir. And that man no want a pum pum we slap out like elastic. They want pum pum we can grab and
somebody need to come get their auntie or their sister or their mother or even their grandmother. Hey, you know if you're looking man where she having her. You know, say him no play about her, you know, if you ever tried this her, you know, cause when night time come and she give him that loving day, you know. Oh gosh. When Friday come, all our money gone na for your hairy bank. Anyways.
Give me punani.
One punani.
Give me punani.
One punani. Give me punani. One punani. Give me punani. One punani. Give me punani. One punani. Limity calamity what? You have to try me. Limity calamity what? You truck shop me. Limity calamity what? It has to take.
You see that little piece of ranking meat? We make big man do stuff like this. Sit around the table and sing with the wife about give me punani, one punani. What go and go so? A punani make him sing this, you know. Because he wants some punani in the night, you know. The nigga eye zoom zoom, the nigga eye zoom zoom. Nice and good, the nigga eye zoom zoom. Anyways, boy, me I tell her the things that men do forget some vajiji. Me not do it.
Use the word professional in a sentence for me.
Oh. Well, Jamaica is a lovely country. And anywhere in the world you go, you'll hear about Jamaican.
All right, so use the word professional in a sentence for me.
Professional. Jamaica is a lovely country. And it's somewhere you can come and work and build yourself. If you want to know how to run fast, come to Jamaica.
Right, so use the word professional in a sentence for me.
Jamaica land we love.
Okay, so use the word professional in a sentence for me.
I am a professional Jamaican.
Listen to me. This man I take a cake. This man I take a cake. I'm matter of fact, he took the bakery. The cake was not enough for him, so he took the bakery. Come on now. Come. What did we just watch? What did we just listen to? What did we just see? Man, them man never go to school for any born yet. And the boss swear he intelligent and he's speaking eloquent and he's being intellectual, you know. He don't like me. College dropout. Matter of fact, him never reach a college. The boss nothing they go to basic school. Remember I said in the 90s a basic school we used to go? Yeah. Monthly kindergarten. Anyways, the last piece of video, I'm telling you, a quick. Did I say it's a quick one? By the way, you like the video? You like the video, man? Come on, man. Better give me a like, give me a thumbs up. YouTube, I beat me bad, but respect to you still.
If you mean bumbo cloth, make a knife touch me or touch a button, you see? Boy, I rip him bumbo cloth up there. Hold on now. But you don't know what happened.
Yeah.
It no card for.
You know cars for.
I may win the war now. How? Then if a man after you and you can bear everything and no make nothing happen and get away, who win the war? No must you. Oh, then the destruction where they may see one bumbo clot happen, you know see you cramp it. Then you win the war. It look like a nonsense. Where him and him blood clot idiot boy they were one don't want to happen. Me fuck it up. Yes.
So, Peanut Jet are the general. Me rate Peanut Jet gone to bed. However, from me go watch the video where 4 man kick off Peanut Jet door because Peanut Jet thief he fuck because Peanut Jet say nobody not help him and he never know say people them gonna miss the fuck and he begs money go hide the fuck theme and the man walk with the fuck through the whole community say people didn't see and I saw them come kick in the door and Peanut run away. Couldn't face the 4 man them. Which me never is a brave man for run away to fight another day. But from Peanut Jet from what the video there. Peanut Jet not bad to me again. My perception of Peanut Jet changed. Yeah man, Peanut Jet not bad again man. Oh my gosh. But listen, if I was born in another country, I love America. But if me dey born anywhere except Jamaica, I would be so upset. Father God, thank you, me a Jamaican. And if you're a Jamaican, like the video. If you love being a Jamaican, like the video and share it to our next Jamaican. Now, stay safe. God bless.